Assalamu alaikum and good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Hazima Mozam and I welcome you to SINO comstech collaboration initiative, strengthening cooperation in the traditional medicine and allied biomedical sciences in the OIC member states. On behalf of comstech team, I welcome our esteemed guests from China, excellencies of various member OIC states, and our national participants here. Through this collaboration initiative, comstech envisages to help strengthen academic and research initiatives between the People's Republic of China and the OIC member states. The delegation that we have here today includes top-tier leadership of academia and industries in the area of traditional medicine and biomedical sciences in China. To formally begin this event, we will start with the recitation from Holy Quran.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الرحمن علم القرآن خلق الإنسان علمه البيان. الشمس والقمر بحسبان والنجم والشجر يسجدان. والسماء رفعها ووضع الميزان ألا تطغوا في الميزان وأقيموا الوزن بالقسط ولا تخسروا الميزان. صدق الله العظيم.
Jazakallah. Now I would request His Excellency, Professor Dr. Iqbal Chaudhry, Coordinator General of comstech, for his opening remarks and to elaborate on the current status of cooperation.
Auzubillahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Good morning and ni hao, ladies and gentlemen. Honorable Dr. Asma Rabbani, Director General OIC and EC, Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Honorable Dr. Yen Shengxin, the Science Commissioner of the Embassy of People's Republic of China. My dear friend, President Dr. Guodai, the Vice Chancellor, the President of Henan University of Chinese Medicine, one of the largest universities in China. We will have Honorable Syed Farooq Bukhari, the Chairman of PPMA, Pharmaceutical Manufacturing Association of Pakistan, joining us. My dear brother and friend, Professor Dr. Y. Weng. We have two presidents of national PCM affiliated hospitals, Dr. Cheng and Dr. Lee. And of course, we also have representatives of several leading pharmaceutical companies, including CEOs of leading industries. Along with this, we also have our very dear ambassadors from Turkmenistan, Northern Cyprus, Morocco, and representatives of the embassies and high commissions of Malaysia, Kyrgyzstan, Iraq, and Iran. Ladies and gentlemen, media personnel, vice chancellors of various universities, I'm extremely grateful for your presence here. I would like to welcome first the distinguished Chinese guest to the comstech, OIC's leading institution for inter-Islamic cooperation in the field of science, technology, higher education, and health. We are very pleased to welcome this high-level delegation of researchers and industrialists from Hunan province, which is the birthplace of Chairman Mao Zedong. He is as much respected and loved in Pakistan as the Chinese people do. The delegation is here to participate in a number of events, including the dialogue for collaboration in the fields of traditional medicine and biomedical sciences in the sphere of research, education, and industrial linkages. The delegation has participated in the launching of successful clinical trials conducted on several traditional Chinese medicine and vaccines at the Center for Biochemical Studies and Clinical Research at the University of Karachi, an internationally accredited facility for clinical research. This reflects the growing trust and linkages of Chinese industries with the health service sector of Pakistan. I'm pleased to report that in recent years, People's Republic of China and Organization of Islamic Cooperation has developed excellent mechanism for enhancing various sectors, cooperation in various sectors, including education, science, and technology, while economic, diplomatic, and cultural partnership are central to SINO-OIC relationship. Education, health, and science and technology collaboration has acquired a new importance after the signing of an agreement between the OIC and People's Republic of China in November 2022. China has also appointed a permanent representative to the OIC in year 2021. In early 2022, the OIC General Secretariat held a high-level round of political consultation with the People's Republic of China. As a result, in September last year, the OIC has signed a cooperation agreement with China to provide support for the improvement of health system of least developed African OIC member states. Pakistan, with its exemplary relationship with the People's Republic of China, and also as a founding member of OIC with a strong linkages with the Muslim world, is playing a very important role in this very productive and vigorous interaction between the OIC and China. In the 48th Council of Foreign Ministers meeting in Islamabad held in March 2022, Pakistan as a host country and the chairman of CFM has invited the Honorable Foreign Minister of People's Republic of China to attend and speak in the opening session. That has further strengthened the foundation of mutually beneficial cooperation. Ladies and gentlemen, OIC Standing Committee for Science and Technology, the comstech, is comprised of 57 member countries in four continents. It is the only multilateral organization which is chaired by Pakistan. The President of Pakistan is the chair of comstech, and the Prime Minister of Pakistan is the co-chair. In the last 3 years, comstech has initiated several major programs, including OIC's largest research fellowship program, Health Africa program focusing on ophthalmology and neurology in Niger, Chad, and Burkina Faso, capacity building in food security with the Islamic Organization of Food Security in Kazakhstan. 500 fellowships have been offered by the Institution of Comstech Consortium of Excellence to Palestinian scholars and students. Institutional strengthening program of comstech has led to the development of many institutions, centers, and faculties in Gambia, Nigeria, Uganda, and recently we're working with Chad also. Program for refugee scientists, which is called Science in Exile program, a unique program for displaced scientists due to internal and recent conflicts. The comstech is also the custodian of OIC technology portal. We have a large portfolio of research grants and capacity building in the field of virology and vaccine development. We have Professor Mukhtar with us, the chairman, the vice chancellor of a newly found skill university. We are working closely with many institutions. We also have country-specific program with Yemen. My dear brother is here somewhere. Assalamu alaikum, brother. With Sudan, Somalia, Kyrgyzstan, and recently we are in the process of negotiating with the Burkina Faso. So comstech, based on its mandate, work closely with many institutions beyond OIC, including International Foundation of Science in Sweden, with which we have since last 20 years a very large research grant program. The World Academy of Sciences based in Italy, UNESCO, International Center for Genetic Engineering and Biotechnology based in Trieste, Durban. We are working in the field of biotechnology and in health, industry, and environment. Neglected Tropical Diseases Network of United Kingdom, the Durham University, and many other institutions. So we are now engaged with the top institution of China in developing productive linkages which benefit our people in the OIC member state. Bilaterally, I am very pleased to report that we were able to catalyze at the institution level many Sino-Pakistan centers which were established in Pakistan. That includes Sino-Pakistan Center for Hybrid Right Research in collaboration with the Chinese National Rice Research Institute in Hangzhou, Sino-Pakistan Center for Industrial Biotechnology with the Tianjin Institute of Industrial Biotechnology, Sino-Pakistan Center for Virology, which is also the only center, national center for virology was established with the Wuhan Institute of Virology, and most importantly, Sino-Pakistan Center for Ethnomedicine with Hunan University of Chinese Medicine. We have the honor of the president visiting us with a very high-level delegation. Pakistan has successfully established Genome Center with the help of Beijing Institute of Genomics, whereas the National Facility for Laboratory Animal Research was established with the support of Institute of Laboratory Animal Sciences, Beijing. We also are in the process of establishing 3 GMP facilities with production of cells for regenerative medicine, for therapeutic proteins, and for phytopharmaceutical. Through these linkages, we were also able to help the pharmaceutical research and service sector. And you will be pleased to know that in last 3 or 4 years, lots of studies came from China for the clinical research, opening a new sector for revenue generation for high technology service sector. We are also grateful to the Hunan University of Traditional Medicine for linking us with the leading pharmaceutical industries. I'm very pleased that representative of at least 6 industries, including the second largest pharmaceutical industry in China, is with us. Very interestingly, recently, Sino-Pakistan Seed in Space program was launched with the help of comstech, in which Pakistan has sent seeds of 6 most important medicinal plants to space on board to Chinese space station. Seeds were returned to the Earth in January 2023 and handed over to our scientists in February 21. These seeds are now being under vigorous studies in various institutions of the country for microgravity, for radiation and other, and their impact on germination, biomass, and in biological activity. I would like to thank all of you for your presence here. And we must say that we are extremely proud of our active engagement with many leading institutions of China, including the foremost and one of the finest research institution and academic institution, the Hunan University of Chinese Medicine. And we have distinguished Professor Dr. A.Q. Dai with us. I wish to especially acknowledge the unparalleled leadership of our dear friend, Professor Dr. Wai Wing, who has been instrumental in developing these institutional linkages. I'm also grateful to the CEOs and representatives of leading pharmaceutical industries. My special thanks to Dr. Asima Rabbani, the Director General of OIC in Ministry of Foreign Affairs, and hope that Chairman PPMA will also grace this occasion. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. With this, I would request our honorable guest, Professor Dr. Egyu Dai, President of Hunan University of Chinese Medicine, for his remarks, please.
尊敬的李可夫教授、各位嘉宾、各位朋友、亲爱的女士们、先生们，大家好。
Honorable Professor Ikubo, distinguished guests and friends, dear ladies and gentlemen, good morning.
很高兴来到了美丽的伊斯兰堡。
It is a great pleasure to come to the beautiful Isabel.
在高峻的马尔加拉山和美丽的拉瓦尔湖的共同见证下，我们齐聚一堂，相会在伊斯兰合作组织科技部长联事会总部，见到了很多老朋友，也认识了更多的新朋友。
Under the joint witness of the tall Magala Mountain and the beautiful Roe Lake, we gathered together and met at the headquarters of the comstech. It is so pleased to meet many old friends and meet more new friends here.
今天上午，伊可波教授带领我们参观了联事会总部，也介绍了总部的情况及项目合作的情况，也就我们双方感兴趣的问题进行了深入的交换，给我们留下了深刻的印象。
We had a great meeting this morning with Professor Ikubo, and we visit the cosmic headquarters, and we talk about the great future of cooperation.
希望我们这次见面能推进我校与更多的“一带一路”国家的传统医药国际合作，吸引更多力量深入融合，共建“一带一路”。
I sincerely hope that our meeting will promote the international cooperation of traditional medicine between our school and more Belt and Road Initiative countries, and attract more forces to deeply integrate into the joint construction of Belt and Road Initiative.
中国国家主席习近平一直强调，中国与伊斯兰国家 关系传统友好，友谊深厚。
Xi Jinping, the chairman of the People's Republic of China, has always emphasized that the relations between China and Islamic countries are traditionally friendly and profound.
双方一贯互相支持，真诚合作。中方高度重视 与伊斯兰国家的友好关系，是伊斯兰合作组织为中国同伊斯兰世界开展合作的重要桥梁。
The two parties have always supported each other and cooperated sincerely. China attaches great importance to friendly relations with Islamic countries and regards the Islamic Cooperation Organization as an important bridge for China to cooperate with the Islamic world.
近年来，中医药和 由来医药、阿育吠陀等传统医药的合作日益深广。
In recent years, the acceptance rate of the traditional Chinese medicine in countries along the Belt and Road Initiative have become higher and higher, and the cooperation between traditional Chinese medicine and traditional medicine such as Unani medicine and Ayurveda has become more and more extensive.
我校与巴基斯坦卡拉奇大学 ECCBS 已经开展了10年的紧密合作，成绩使人。
The close cooperation between our university and the University of Karachi of ICCBS has been carried out for 10 years, and the results are gratifying.
我们希望能将这种成功的合作模式进一步推广到更多的“一带一路”国家，不断地拓展合作领域，深化合作内涵，让世界感受到中医药的博大精深和独特价值。
We hope to further promote this successful cooperation model to more countries along the Belt and Road Initiative, continuously expand the scope of cooperation, and let the world experience the profoundness and unique value of Chinese medicine culture.
科技推动发展，创新引领未来。当前，世界100年之未有之大变局加速演进，进一步增进了国际科技界开放、信任与合作，以科学万有发展造福各国人民，是国际社会的普遍愿望。
Technology promotes development and the innovation leads the future. At present, the world's major changes unseen in a century are accelerating. It is the common aspiration of the international community to further enhance the openness, trust, and cooperation of the international scientific and technological community, and benefit the people of all countries through the prosperity and development of science.
自2017年中国共建“一带一路”科技创新行动计划启动以来，中国与共建“一带一路”国家在科技人文交流、共建联合实验室、科技园合作、继续卷于4个方面展开深度的合作，共同将“一带一路”建设成为创新之路。
Since China launched the Belt and Road Initiative Science and Technology Innovation Action Plan in 2017, China has carried out in-depth cooperation with countries along the Belt and Road Initiative for 4 areas: scientific research and cultural exchanges, joint laboratory building, science and technology park cooperation, and technology transfer, which help to jointly build the Belt and Road Initiative into a road of innovation.
目前已经分3批启动了53家“一带一路”联合实验室建设，支持了3500余人次的青年科学家来华开展为期半年以上的科学研究工作，培训超过了1.5万名的国外科技人员，资助专家近2000人次，科技交流与合作工作稳步推进，成果丰硕。
At present, the construction of the 53 Belt and Road Initiative joint laboratories has been launched in 3 patches, supporting more than 3,500 young scientists to come to China to carry out scientific research for more than half a year, training more than 50,000 foreign scientific and technological personnel, funding nearly 2,000 experts, and scientific and technological exchanges and cooperation have been steadily advanced with fruitful results.
就关于这个方面，我们中国驻巴基斯坦大使馆的科技参赞尹先生等会还会做介绍，做重要讲话。
About this point, the officer from the Chinese ambassador, Mr. Ying, will introduce for us later.
多年来，我校始终秉持全球视野、世界格局，半学半医，积累了丰富的经验。
Over the years, our university has always adhered to the global vision and accelerated rich experience in running school and running medicine in the world pattern.
这一次来到总部，我们正在按程序申报中国外交部，按照外交部的要求，进一步开启我校以及湖南省与伊斯兰合作组织和成员国之间的全球医药的多维合作，还将共建国际联合合作共建实验室，把湖南的丰富的中医药资源和中医药的研究经验与大家分享。
We will sign the number of agreements under the permission of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of the nation, and we are still waiting for the permission. Those agreements is to start multi-dimensional cooperation in traditional medicine between our university and Hunan province and member states of Islamic Cooperation Organization.
我们将联合培养更多的高端国际合作人才，也欢迎伊斯兰合作组织推荐更多的更优秀的科学家来湖南来我校交流，加强互学互鉴，共同推进传统医药进步，惠及更多的国家和人民。
We will also jointly build a national-level international cooperation joint laboratory, share the rich resources and rich experiences of traditional Chinese medicine in Hunan province, and jointly train more high-end international cooperation talents. We also welcome the Islamic Cooperation Organization to recommend more outstanding experts to come to Hunan to communicate with our university, which can strengthen mutual learning, jointly promote the progress of traditional medicine, and benefit more countries and people.
中医药的交流合作已成为共建“一带一路”高质量发展的重要领域。未来，中医药与现代科技的融合创新，更会成为“一带一路”建设中的新亮点、新引擎。
The exchange and cooperation of traditional Chinese medicine has become an important field for the high-quality development of the joint construction of the Belt and Road Initiative.
让我们以此次会面为新起点，促进对话，达成合作共识，打造发展理念相通、科技设施相通、连通、人员交流认同的创新共同体。
In the future, the integration and the innovation of traditional Chinese medicine and modern technology will become a new highlight and a new engine in the construction of the Belt and Road Initiative.
让我们的合作之花常开，合作之果常结，合作之树常青。
Let us take this meeting as a new opportunity and a new starting point to promote dialogues between us, reach a consensus on cooperation, and create an innovation community with shared development concepts, connected technology and faculties, and smooth personnel exchanges, so as to contribute to the building of a closer community of shared future for mankind.
Thank you very much, my friends.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Excellency. Thank you very much, Excellency. With this, on behalf of comstech, I welcome Excellencies, ambassadors of Morocco and Yemen for their presence here today. We have more than 100 participants with us virtually. And with this, I request Dr. Cheng Dong He, General Manager of Zhenghui Pharmaceutical, for his remarks, please.
尊敬的各位领导，各位亲爱的朋友们，大家上午好。我很荣幸参加此次会议。我们来自中国湖南长沙，我们的企业叫湖南新汇制药股份有限公司，成立于2002年，是一家国家高新企业，拥有万亩中药材种植基地和饮片生产以及配方颗粒的生产、智能煎药、制剂生产的中药全产业链。相关的成果申请研究获得了中国专利150余项。我们是一家从事中医药的企业，中医药是中华民族的瑰宝。中国5000年来都是使用中药来治疗疾病，特别是这次新冠肺炎，中药抗疫发挥了重要作用。我们这次是为推广中医药而来，让巴基斯坦人民能够享受到中医药的服务。就在昨天，我们公司的产品猴头健胃灵与卡拉奇大学的试验取得了圆满的成功。这里要感谢伊库博士，我们期望合作，共同推动中医药走向世界，让中医药越来越多的服务于“一带一路”的沿线国家和地区以及人民。谢谢，祝大家好运。
Okay.
Thank you very much, sir. Now I would request our colleague from China, Dr. Zhao, to please translate it for our local and other international participants. Dr. Zhao? Your name? Dr. Zhao, can you please translate his speech for us very briefly? Thank you very much, Professor Wang.
Dear respected Dr. Ikubo, dear friends, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. I was from Fulan, Changsha. My company named Fulan Xinhui Pharmaceutical Company. It was built 2002. It's a national high technology company. It's a famous Chinese DCM pharmaceutical company. Yesterday, we just finished the clinical trial of our products, Hotou Jianwei capsule. Collaborate with ICCPS. This time, we want to promote our traditional medicine. Let Pakistan people benefit our TCM service. We're looking forward for the collaboration. Let traditional medicine serve more and more better the countries. Thank you. Good luck.
Thank you very much, Professor Wang. Now I would request Dr. Liang Zhao, the Vice President of Zhao Pharmaceutical, for his remarks, please.
尊敬的尹库珀教授，尊敬的各位来宾，大家上午好。我是来自中国湖南株洲切金药业的姚亮元，非常荣幸有这个机会与大家一起交流。我们切金药业立身于中医药，界长已经57年，致力于中医药的开发和推广，希望通过不断的挖掘创新，向患者提供更多更优的中医药产品，将中医药传承下去，发扬光大。我们致力于让中国中医药不仅服务于中国人民，同时服务于“一带一路”国家人民，服务于世界人民。昨天我们公司的明星产品在临床研究结果妇科切金胶囊的临床研究结果发布会在卡拉奇成功举行。本项目的研究是由尹库珀教授的团队完成的，在此我特别感谢尹库珀教授团队的辛勤付出和大力支持。通过这次交流会，我们希望将我们的产品推广至更多的国家。我的发言完毕，谢谢。
Dear friends, ladies and gentlemen, I'm from Hunan Tianjin Pharmaceutical Company. My company has 57 years old, dedicated to provide more and better TCM products for the patients. Yesterday, we just finished our clinical trial for the changing Fuke capsule. The clinical trial did very successful with collaboration of ICCPS, especially thanks for Dr. Ikbo's team's great efforts and support. Our goal is to let traditional medicine to benefit more and more people, not only for Chinese, but also for Pakistan people. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, madam. Now I would request Dr. Sengzhen Li, CEO of Hunan Shiwang Pharmaceuticals, for his speech, please.
女士们、先生们，上午好！我很荣幸随着湖南中医药大学前来巴基斯坦介绍我们公司。我们公司是中国高新技术企业，我们主要的业务是中药、新药开发以及化学药品的开发和仿制。我们公司的主要继续是缓控式微丸，达到我们国内的先进水平。我这次来的目的就是想把我们的好的技术和产品推向巴基斯坦。谢谢。
Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. I'm from Hunan Changsha One Research and Development company. My company owned a very advanced technology about the control release material. This can be used for the many kind of preparation for the clinical. I really want to use this technology that it benefit more and more people around the belt and road countries. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Now I would request Dr. Nedong Cheng, CEO of Hunan Yirchang Chinese Herbal Pieces, for his remarks, please.
尊敬的伊库波博士、女士们、先生们，大家好。首先，感谢尊敬的伊库波阁下的邀请，我很高兴来到伊斯兰堡，来到伊斯兰合作组织科技部长联席会总部，很高兴同各位专家朋友认识，同时也非常感谢巴基斯坦朋友的热情款待。目前，我们公司主要是与湖南中医药大学进行合作，种植开发具有民族特色的中药材。感谢湖南中医药大学领导对我及我公司的厚爱，让我有机会一起出访巴基斯坦，感到万分荣幸。希望借此次机会能拓展与湖南中医药大学以及巴基斯坦与 OIC 成员国同行们的合作，与巴基斯坦及 OIC 成员国的商界朋友的合作，将中国的健康传统产品带给巴基斯坦的朋友和更多“一带一路”国家的朋友，将巴基斯坦的健康产品带到中国。最后，祝大家身体健康，祝中巴人民友谊长存。谢谢大家。
Respected Dr. Ikubo and dear guests, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Firstly, thanks for Dr. Ikubo's invitation, and thanks for the very nice hospitality. I came from Hunan, Changsha, TCM from pharmaceutical company, and my company work closely with Hunan University of Traditional Medicine on SINO medicine. I really want to make more and good SINO medicine products to do the research and including clinical research, and hope many better the SINO medicine products can benefit more and more countries' people. And thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. Now I would request Dr. Diping He, Executive Director of Hunan Huasheng Biotech, for his remarks, please. Dr. Diping He.
尊敬的伊库教授，各位嘉宾、女士们、先生们，大家上午好。非常荣幸能够有机会参加本次会议，并向各位介绍我们公司及主要产品。湖南华能生物资源股份有限公司成立于2008年，是罗汉果甜减糖解决方案的领先专家，也是罗汉果地球物和罗汉果糖的行业标准制定单位。湖南华珍生物是世界上3大罗汉果地球物的制造商之一。我们的主要重点是一个可持续性和稳定性的罗汉果甜苷及其相关产品。作为我们不断追究的质量和作为的典范，华珍生物资源股份有限公司获得了国际质量体系的相关认证，与 BRC、NSF GMP FDA Plus ISO 9001、ISO 22000等。华润生物是全球仅有的3家获得美国药品、食品技术监督管理局罗汉果地球格拉斯认证的单位之一。10多年来，我们的罗汉果地球产品是优质应用技术和专业知识，包含改进罗汉果田秆、地球物和农设置等创新，确保了我们全球的增长。这次期间，华润生物分享了罗汉果作为一种健康的天然零卡的甜味剂的好处，也促进了食品、饮料和营养补充剂的发展。最后，希望通过本次合作组织结交新的朋友，寻找新的合作共赢的商机。最后，祝中巴人民友谊长存！谢谢大家。
Dear respected Dr. Yukubo, dear my friend, ladies and gentlemen, I'm from Hunan Huachen Biotechnology Company, founded in 2008. It's a leading expert of monk fruit sweetener solution for sugar reduction and the construction of monk fruit extract and the monk fruit blended sweetener industry standard. Huachen Biotech ranks among the top 3 manufacturers of monk fruit extract in the world. Our primary focus is to provide both a highly sustainable and continuously stable supply of monk fruit. Huachen Biotech was the first company to transplant monk fruit planting from Guilin, Guangxi, to the Hunan province, which resulted in a dramatic increase in monk fruit growth and availability. In our constant pursuit of exceptional quality, we have developed and employed an exemplary quality control management system that has become the new standard of excellence within the industry. As an example of our constant pursuit of manufacturing quality and excellence, Huachen Biotechnology has achieved international accolades and certificates, including BRC, NCF, CGMP, non-GMO project, FDA grants, ISO 9001, ISO 2000, and many more. Huachen Biotech is one of only 3 companies globally as have obtained the status of GRAs by American FDA on monk fruit extract. For over a decade, our premier quality cutting-edge technologies and expertise in monk fruit products, including improved monoxide extraction and juice concentrate innovation, have ensured our global growth. During that time, Huachen Biotech has shared the benefits of monk fruit as a healthy, natural, zero-calorie sweetener to enhance the food variety and the nutritional supplement sectors. I really hope collaborate with OIC, make more new friends and find collaborate opportunity. Makes it benefit more and more people. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Dr. Yi, and also thank you very much to Dr. V. Bang for the translation. Now I would request Mr. Muhammad Ahmad Salimi Saab, who is the President of National Tib Council of Pakistan, for his remarks, please.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Thank you very much, Dr. Iqbal Chaudhry. Thank you for inviting me. This is Hakim Mohammad Ahmad Salimi, President of National Council for Tib. मेरे साथियों ने चाहे मेरे हमारे मारिया से भी गहरी दोस्ती चीन के साथ उन्होंने अपनी चीनी ज़बान में बात की, तो मैं भी चाहूँगा कि मैं उर्दू में कुछ बात करूँ और हमारे जो आज के जो शुरका हैं वो भी इस बात से ज़्यादा समझ सकें। हम नेशनल काउंसिल फॉर तिब हमारे पाकिस्तान में UAH एक्ट, यूनानी आयुर्वेदिक एंड होम्योपैथिक प्रैक्टिशनर्स एक्ट 1965 के तहत यहाँ पे एक काउंसिल का क्याम अमल में आता है जिसे नेशनल काउंसिल फॉर तिब कहते हैं। और उसके अंडर पाकिस्तान में जो यूनानी मेडिसिन है, जो ट्रेडिशनल मेडिसिन जिसे कहते हैं यहाँ की, उसको रेगुलराइज किया जाता है। और इस काउंसिल के अंडर 39 तिबिया कॉलेजेस काम कर रहे हैं, तालीम दे रहे हैं पाकिस्तान में। और 10 यूनिवर्सिटीज़ में पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट जो BEMS हमारा बैचलर ऑफ ईस्टर्न मेडिसिन एंड सर्जरी का जो एजुकेशन हो रही है। और इस वक्त अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह पाकिस्तान में 126 के करीब जो PhD डॉक्टर्स जो हमारे ईस्टर्न मेडिसिन में PhD कर रहे हैं। इसके अलावा यूनानी मेडिसिन के जो इदारे हैं वो भी ड्रग रेगुलेटरी अथॉरिटी ऑफ पाकिस्तान जो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग है वो रेगुलराइज हो रही है ड्रग रेगुलेटरी अथॉरिटी ऑफ पाकिस्तान के अंडर। और इस वक्त तकरीबन जो ट्रेडिशनल मेडिसिन के इदारे हैं वो 50 के करीब रजिस्टर्ड हैं। और ओवरऑल जो इस वक्त 100 प्लस जो इदारे हैं जो नेशनल इंटरनेशनल पाकिस्तान में ट्रेडिशनल मेडिसिन के बिजनेस से वाबस्ता हैं। चाइनीज मेडिसिन के साथ जो ट्रेडिशनल चाइनीज मेडिसिन है, यूनानी मेडिसिन और ट्रेडिशनल चाइनीज मेडिसिन का एक बहुत पुराना साथ है। हमारी हिस्ट्री में भी जो हमारी इस्लामिक मेडिसिन या यूनानी मेडिसिन या ईस्टर्न मेडिसिन के नाम से जिसे जानते हैं, इसमें इतना गुंजाइश रही है कि ये मुख्तलिफ इलाकों की जो तिब है उसके साथ इंटीग्रेट किया। और इसी तरह जो चाइनीज़ मेडिसिन है, ट्रेडिशनल चाइनीज़ मेडिसिन, इसके भी जो रूट्स हैं वो हमारी यूनानी मेडिसिन के साथ काफ़ी मिलते हैं। और वो कि जिस तरह पाकिस्तान और चीन की दोस्ती है, इस तरह जो ट्रेडिशनल मेडिसिन में भी ट्रेडिशनल चाइनीज़ मेडिसिन और यूनानी मेडिसिन ये मिलकर काम करें और दुनिया में इंसानियत की भलाई के लिए और ह्यूमैनिटी के लिए और बीमारियों के खात्मे के लिए मिलकर काम कर सकें। बहुत शुक्रिया।
Thank you very much, sir. Just to translate what Mr. Ahmad Salimi Saab said, that first of all, he's very grateful to Professor Iqbal for giving him an opportunity to talk. And he also welcomes our Chinese guest from China. And he says that Pakistan has a long-standing friendship with our Chinese colleagues. What he told us is that we have in Pakistan, we have Unani Herbal Pharmaceutical Act, which basically regulates the translation of traditional medicine here in Pakistan. In addition to that, we have some universities who offer bachelors of Eastern medicine. And in addition to that, we also have around about 126 PhDs working in the Eastern medicine. Additionally, we have a drug regulatory authority in Pakistan, which look after the regulation and to meet the standards of traditional medicines which are produced in Pakistan. There are around about 70 companies and institutions in Pakistan who works and produce traditional and Chinese medicine. And he sees and says that there is a scope of cooperation, mutual cooperation between Pakistan and China in the field of traditional and Unani medicine. With this, thank you very much. And now I would request our honorable guest, Syed Farooq Bukhari, who is the chairman of Pakistan Pharmaceutical Manufacturers Association, for his remarks, please.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Honorable guests, distinguished colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. It is my honor and privilege to address you all today on the occasion of SINO comstech collaboration initiative in Pakistan, which aims to strengthen cooperation in traditional medicine and allied biomedical sciences in OIC member states in Pakistan. This is a vital and timely initiative as we face numerous challenges in the field of healthcare. Especially after COVID-19, the pandemic has underscored the critical role of the pharmaceutical industry plays in ensuring public health and has highlighted the need for greater investment in research and development, as well as for better integration for traditional medicine into mainstream healthcare system. Traditional medicine include traditional Chinese medicine has a rich history and has been used for centuries to treat a wide range of illness and conditions. In recent years, there has been a growing interest in traditional medicine and its potential to complement modern medicine and provide alternate treatments for various diseases. However, there is still much work to be done to fully integrate traditional medicine into mainstream healthcare system and to ensure safety, efficacy, and quality. This is where initiatives like SINO comstech collaboration initiative comes in. By bringing together experts and stakeholders from different countries and disciplines, we can share knowledge, best practices, develop guidelines and standards, and promote research in industry and innovation in traditional medicine and allied biomedical standards. This will not only benefit patients and healthcare providers, but also contribute to the overall development of the healthcare sector and the economy itself. Allied biomedical sciences such as biotechnology and nanotechnology offer a new opportunity of developing innovative treatments and therapies. However, they also need to be integrated into mainstream healthcare system in a safe and effective manner. This requires collaboration between different stakeholders, including researchers, policymakers, industry leaders. Pakistan is a country with a rich traditional medicine base and has made significant strides in recent years to promote and regulate its use. The establishment of National Council for TB in 2015, the formal of Traditional Medicine Board in 2008, and the development of national policy on traditional medicine in 2018 are all important milestones in this regard. However, there is still much to be done to fully integrate traditional medicine into the healthcare system and to ensure its safety, efficacy, and quality. The SINO comstech collaboration initiative provides an excellent opportunity for Pakistan to learn from experience of China and OIC member states and to develop strategies and policies that are tailored to its own needs and priorities. By working together, we can address common challenges, share resources and expertise, and promote the use of traditional medicine and allied biomedical sciences for benefit of our population. In conclusion, I would like to thank the organizers in this initiative for their vision and leadership, and all the participants for the commitment and dedication for the cause of healthcare. By working together, we can address the unique challenges and opportunities to promote this field, promote quality, safety, foster innovation and entrepreneurship, and ensure access and affordability. I am confident that this collaboration will yield tangible results and contribute to overall well-being of our society. Thank you once again.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. Now I would request our guest of honor, Honorable Mr. Yin Shengzeng, who is the Science Commissioner of Embassy of People's Republic of China. He is representing Charge d'Affaires Embassy of China in Pakistan. For his address, please.
Professor Dr. Chaudhary, Professor Dr. Dai Guo, distinguished guests, dear colleagues, friends, good afternoon. It's my great pleasure to attend this event here. Traditional Chinese medicine has enjoyed a splendid history of thousands of years. Nowadays, the government of China grants great importance to the development of traditional Chinese medicine. Our president, Mr. Xi Jinping, has made multiple important instructions for developing and revitalizing traditional Chinese medicine. In 2016, 2016, the Standing Committee of the National People's Congress of China approved a law on traditional Chinese medicine, intending to provide sounder policy environment and legal basis to support the development of our traditional medicine. At the same time, the Chinese State Council issued the outline of the strategic plan on the development of traditional Chinese medicine 2016 to 2030, which made traditional Chinese medicine development a national strategy. As time-tested difference, Pakistan and China achieved a lot of great successful cooperation in the field of traditional medicine. The establishment of SINO Pakistan Cooperation Center for Traditional Chinese Medicine, which thanks a lot to the work by Professor Chowdhury, is exactly a good example of such cooperation. China and comstech keeps a long-term great friendship. A couple of months ago, we are here celebrated the success of a symbolic cooperative project, Seed in Space, which inspired people from Pakistan and China to pay more attention and make contribution to cooperation in traditional medicine. Today, I am very pleased to witness more partners from OIC member states joining the cooperation. Dear friends, ladies and gentlemen, I believe the development of traditional medicine will bring benefits to more people and play a positive role in building a global community of health for all. With your joint efforts, thank you and best wishes for the success of the cooperation. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Now I would request our guest of honor, Honorable Dr. Asima Rabbani, who is the Director General of ECNOIC, Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Government of Pakistan, for her address, please.
Professor Dr. Iqbal Chaudhry, Coordinator General Comstech, Honorable Professor Dr. Agyo Dai, Mr. Jin Sheng, Honorable Chinese guests, Excellency, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. I'm deeply honored to be here today at the launch of SINO Comstech initiative on strengthening cooperation in traditional medicine and allied biomedical sciences in OIC countries. I, on my own behalf and on behalf of the Foreign Ministry, welcome the high-level delegation of Chinese scientists and industrialists to Pakistan for the promotion of cooperation for research and development in the field of natural products, biotechnology, molecular and cell biology, and traditional medicine through institutional and industrial linkages. Comstech has over the year played an important role towards development and promotion of institutional linkages in the field of science and technology. By bringing together scientists and researchers from across OIC countries and partners, it has not only promoted collaboration and knowledge sharing, but is also paving the way for innovative solutions to some of the greatest challenges that our humankind faces. Traditional medicines has been an integral part of human culture and healthcare for centuries. Its importance has been recognized by the World Health Organization, which has called for the integration of evidence-based traditional medicine into national healthcare systems. According to WHO, the potential of traditional medicine could become a game changer for health when founded on evidence, innovation, and sustainability. We also know from our experience, and as our Chinese guests have explained, China has a rich history of traditional medicine, which has been practiced over 2000 years. Traditional Chinese medicine has gained popularity across the world and is now widely practiced in many countries. The OIC member states and also Pakistan have a long history of traditional medicine, and many of them have developed their unique system of healthcare based on traditional practices. By strengthening cooperation in this field, we can learn from each other's experiences and practices and develop new therapies and treatment that can benefit people in our respective countries and beyond. Ladies and gentlemen, the SINO-COMSTEC initiative on strengthening cooperation in traditional medicine and allied biomedical sciences in OIC countries is a significant step towards promoting collaboration between the People's Republic of China, OIC member states, and Pakistan. I'm sure this will help strengthen the academic and research initiative between China, Pakistan, as well as OIC countries. I believe that this initiative will open up new opportunities for collaboration and partnership between China and Pakistan. It will also contribute towards developing new medicine and traditional therapies. By supporting research and education in science and technology, and by promoting collaboration and exchange of ideas, we can build a brighter and more sustainable future for all. In conclusion, I would like to express my appreciation to the organizer of this initiative and to our Chinese guests and all the participants for their contribution to this important collaboration. I'm confident that this initiative will be a great success and will pave the way for further cooperation and partnership between China, OIC countries, and Pakistan. I thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Madam. Now I invite our media persons to please ask questions from our speakers. We can take 2 to 3 questions. I request you to please raise your hand and introduce yourself for the question. Do we have questions from the audience? Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I'm Professor Dr. Muhammad Mukhtar. I'm a Vice Chancellor of National Skill University, Islamabad. I congratulate Professor Dr. Iqbal Chaudhry, as well as the Foreign Ministry official for facilitating this event. And specifically, my great thanks go to all my Chinese colleagues. I serve in USA, and there were 30 Chinese postdocs with me. And I always try to convince them, please speak in English. They always speak in Chinese. And I was compelled to learn Chinese also. So, but unfortunately, my Chinese is poor. So, ni hao to all of you, you know. But anyway, I mean, I'm so glad to see all these pharmaceutical industrialists. Pakistan is a very rich land for a variety of herbs, a variety of what we can say traditional medicine. So is there any way that colleagues can assist us like establishing some type of center the way you have it? Like, I mean, we don't have any type of setup where we can evaluate the medicine, because in these COVID-19 pandemic, I have been evaluating like your Chinese equivalent of FDA that is doing great work. If Dr. Iqbal Chaudhry and I think the other organizations get involved in this one and can do this stuff. By the way, I also want to congratulate China, because they are the only one who ventured to make traditional COVID-19 vaccine by inactivated virus, because none of the other part of the world initially ventured for that. You were the one who did it. Congratulations for that one also. Thank you.
Thank you very much. We have another question. Sir, please introduce yourself for the question.
Thank you so much. I am a Professor Dr. Mushtaq from Department of Plant Sciences and working on traditional Chinese medicine with the Himalaya. So I am very thankful to Professor Dr. Chaudhary to initiate such a very important initiative. My questions and my suggestions for Chinese delegates and the Pakistani delegate is that we must develop some ethno-medicinal centers along one belt, one road, or a CPEC, because it's very important that Pakistan and China have a great belt that is called as Himalaya, which is one of the important range for the medicinal plant and traditional Chinese herbal medicines. So I suggest that the Chinese partners and our Pakistani partners to develop some ethno-medicinal center for research, technology, and innovation in universities of Pakistan and universities of China, because we are basically sharing one of the biggest range that is about 3,600 kilometers. That is about 35 medicinal plant, 35,000 medicinal plant in this range. So this is my suggestion for the Chinese delegate. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Very good.
Thank you very much. We have another question from Madam. Okay, all right, sir.
I'm Dr. Shujaul Mulk, Associate Professor of Plant Sciences, Qaid-e-Azam University. Again, it could be a question or suggestion in addition to Dr. Mushtaq. Like we can engage NSFC and Pakistan Science Foundation to initiate individual projects for the development of such medicines. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir.
Hello, I'm Maria Abasi from China Media Group. I want to ask our Chinese friends that as monkeypox is spreading all across the world and we have found some cases in Pakistan too. So is there any solution of it and treatment about it in Chinese medicine, traditional medicine, and what can we do to prevent it in Pakistan and in China too as well?
Sir, can you translate this?
Assalamualaikum, ladies and gentlemen.
Madam, please hold on. We can probably Dr. Dai can answer her question first, and then we will. Yeah.
谢谢刚才几位的提问啊，都非常好啊。这个中医药是是我们这个中华民族的瑰宝，也是我们中国古代医学的瑰宝。中医药的话呢，有很多的独特的疗效。我们中国的话呢，这个5000多年都在用中医药。而中医药的话呢，在这个巴基斯坦啊，通过“一带一路”走进巴基斯坦，通过了卡拉吉大学，通过 SCBS， 正如刚才我们一些企业所介绍的，湖南的新会、湖南的千金药业，都把他们的有确切疗效的、有独特的优势的一些中药，在我们巴基斯坦通过临床实验，也希望通过临床实验之后，合法的、一程序的走进巴基斯坦，更好的为巴基斯坦广大的患者服务，也通过巴基斯坦向“一带一路”的国家提供更多的服务。谢谢。
Need to
Sir, she's coming for the translation.
那个讲好的，王伟讲吧。啊，那个是OK。
Thank you for the question. And the traditional Chinese medicine is the treasure of China. Oh, okay. Can you hear me? Okay. Okay. And thank you for the question. And traditional Chinese medicine is the treasure of China. And there are many unique effects for them. And the traditional Chinese medicine is through the One Belt One Road initiative and always through the ICCBAs. And we through those platforms, we have the traditional Chinese medicine in the Pakistan. And as a lot of pharmacy industry just introduced, they have already done the trial experiment for their products of traditional Chinese medicine for the people in Pakistan. And we hope that through those great products of traditional Chinese medicine, it will do great benefits for the people in Pakistan and also in other countries. Thank you.
Thank you very much. We can take last two questions. One from you, sir.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammad Waqar Bhatti, and I'm a health journalist associated with The News International and Geo News. My question is towards Dr. Iqbal Chaudhry. Sir, yesterday in Karachi at ICCBS, the health minister launched the results of clinical trials of 2 traditional Chinese medicines, and we have been told that around 50 clinical trials have been conducted in Pakistan regarding Chinese traditional medicines. I have a concern, and I want you to answer it. Pakistani Unani herbal medicines, they are plant-based, while Chinese traditional medicines are both plant-based and animal-based medicines. In Pakistan and in Islamic world, we have a problem of usage of probated elements in the Chinese traditional medicines, like use of some fats from the animals which are not allowed to be eaten in Islam. So how we'll be dealing with that problem? Probated ingredients in the traditional Chinese medicines, and if they're not allowed in Islam, how we'll be consuming them, how we'll be marketing them in Pakistan? Thank you very much.
Excellent question, Waqar. Always very penetrating. And you see, all the clinical trials we have conducted were 100% plant-based medicine. We have not really accepted to conduct any clinical trial in which there was anything else but medicinal plants. So no insect, no animal ingredients, all halal certified, both from Chinese government, Chinese agencies, and also by halal certification body in Pakistan. So all clinical trials were conducted on plant-based traditional Chinese medicine. But taking the lead from your question, I just want to say that I think the way China is investing into the research in evidence-based, as Director General Dr. Rabbani mentioned, and developing this sector on the basis of clinical evidences, I think exactly is required in case of traditional Unani medicine, because we do also have a very rich traditions of the use of ethnic medicine in our country. And there is a need of globalization, and that can only happen when we are able to develop these products through clinical evidences, clinical trials, and other scientific methods. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Sir, just one last question from sir.
Professor Dr. Gul Majid, a very renowned pharmacist and the Vice Chancellor of Islamia University, Peshawar. Sir.
Thank you very much. Um, First of all, I would really appreciate the efforts of comstech, in particularly Professor Iqbal Chaudhry, who has provided us with the opportunity which we were waiting for since long. All those sitting over here and involved in pharmaceutical research, they do know that whatever we have talked about in today's session, work is in progress in almost all the universities in Pakistan in this connection. The only need was to integrate and bring together the efforts which we are doing in individual capacity, where our research could go up to certain extent, and there we stop that. We do not carry that to the logical end of developing some pharmaceutical product. I would suggest, sir, that in the recommendations of today's activity, if a committee would be constituted from both the sides, from Pakistani and Chinese side, who may properly and regularly interact with one another, so as that the institutions in Pakistan, the individual, the scholars involved in the research, they just coordinate in a way that our research is not limited up to the publication of a paper or getting the promotion to the level of professor, and we leave the things over there. I think we have already done a lot of work in Pakistan in this connection, and we can do more. But at the moment, need of the hour is to direct our research in a way which we can carry to the logical end of getting some, I'm not talking of the patent even, I'm talking of the practical product which we can give to the society. I do have some experience as member of Central Licensing Board in the draft. We desperately need the efforts of this type, but the integration and coordination would be required. Thank you, and thank you very much.
Thank you very much. I think you have identified one of the most enduring problems which academia is facing, and certainly that requires a multilateral approach and also support from various actors. And I fully endorse your proposal of constituting a committee between the two countries. And I would like to propose, if you kindly lead that, and I would be happy to nominate some members and to host the first event in Islamabad.
Thank you very much, sir. Now I would request His Excellency Professor Dr. Muhammad Iqbal Chaudhry to present shields to our guests. And I would also request our guest of honor, Dr. Rabbani, Mr. Yen, and Mr. Syed Farooq Bukhari to please present the shield to our guest, Dr. Egyu Dai. Dr. B. Wang. Dr. Bo Chang. Dr. Bo Chang. Dr. Gaozhou Wang. Dr. Gaozhou Wang. Dr. Sangxing Li, CEO Ponan. Dr. Li Dongcheng, CEO Ponan Yerkang Chinese Herbal Pieces. Thank you very much. And now our Chinese delegation would like to present some souvenirs to Professor Dr. Iqbal Chaudhry and other speakers. For the comstech. Yeah.
And it would be a reward of oh, that's a game.
So we have some more.
I would request the Vice Chancellor and ambassadors to kindly come.
Please.
It's, once,
Excellencies, the ambassadors and the representatives from the embassies are requested to please proceed on the stage.
Abdurrahman. Article Midi Sabaya.
Embassy has ordered.
Investors, let's see the
ambassadors, please.
I request all the media persons and our comstech cameraman to please take group photo.
And I think the other Chinese colleagues.
all the Chinese colleagues who are the part of the delegation to please come on the stage. Aftab Zaidi sir, kindly please join us on the stage. Please.
के मालिक
Thank you for coming.
One photograph and then I will go.
Yes, I send it to you. Yeah. Thank you very much.
So can you? Okay.
Sir, thank you very much. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for joining us. Now we can proceed for the lunch, which is arranged outside this auditorium. And I'm also grateful to our virtual participants. Thank you very much.